Hi, welcome back everyone. We will continue with optimizing our solution for coin change. Um, I took a break and I'm back. And in my break, I tried to map the recursive tree on paper, and I realized, um, yeah. So now we will continue. So this is what my min wage is. This is correct. So if amount is less than zero, return minus one, meaning it does not. You can instead of returning anything, since it will be stored in min ways, I can just remove this return and instead of doing this, I will return. Should be, I think it should be L plus 1. Yeah. Return min ways L. Okay. Which is basically amount. So it make more sense to do this. Yeah. So here what I am doing, if amount is less than zero, that means this is not possible and I want to just return from there. And if amount is equal to zero, what I want to do, I want to set when no, it is zero. If it is zero, then should return one. Actually, this should be fine. Okay, I don't. Okay, maybe I do need the int actually. So let's see. So this is what I'm returning. Then when my min. Okay. Okay. Our question here is if first I need to check if this is um if I've already computed the min ways to reach this sum. So if I have no amount is not equal to minus one, only then I want to go and do all these calculations, which is one second, which is I will call this guy. I will call it. Okay, now okay, I will call this. Then I will once I've got the value, I will do. If it's not equal to minus one, what I can do, I can min ways min ways amount, just happened, amount is equal to min of ways plus one. Why plus one? Because should it be plus one? That's what I'm thinking. should return 0 actually. If it reaches amount, when once amount becomes 0, you have to return 0. And then when I've returned 0, so let's say my amount was 2. I call, and I only coin I have is 1. So I call my helper function with 1 comma 2 and 2 minus 1. So min ways would be minus 1, so it will be min ways. I will call it on 1, then ways. Then again in 1 I will call, then it will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0, then it will return 0 here. Um, 2 minus 1, then 1 minus 1 0. So from 0 amount I should return 0, so that I can so that I know that the number of ways to reach amount is 1. Then if I return 1, the number of ways to reach. Yeah, I think this is fine. Comma. It's not equal if it is equal to minus 1. It shouldn't be this actually, it should be 1001. Uh, but when this is minus 1, it will take minus 1 instead of taking 1. That's why it should be. Should not be minus 1, should be 1000, 1000, 1001, and min ways to reach 0 is equal to 0. It's the same logic. Amount is not able to return min ways amount is return minus 1. No, actually, either way you can return. No, actually, no, because I'm checking here. I think this is fine. Let me try running it. Okay, there's no need for used to remove this. Instead of this will be min base. Ah, fuck! Okay, got it. So waves is not declared. Okay, if it is not equal to -1, then else, else what do we do? So base is not equal to -1. This will happen. Uh, Otherwise, yeah, I feel like I've done something wrong actually. If you have already calculated it, then I can just return from here, right? Return, return min ways, return min ways amount. Done. Is not equal to, then you just return it or whatever the value is. If not, then you do all of this. I'm sorry. Should be 1001. Okay, let me try this to do this. So I have a coin of 2. I use a coin of 2, then I have amount left 1. And again, if I use a coin of 1 is not calculated. So I'll go here and calculate 1 minus 3. Then this is not equal to -1. This will be minus 1. Else, no, I'm confused. Okay, this is not very clear in my head. Let's try to jot it down on paper. If I have, if my target is 3 and the only denomination I have is 2, so I would call 3. I would check if min weighs 3 is not equal to, it is equal to 1001. So what I will do, I will go to the for loop and I will call 3 minus 2, call the same thing on 3 minus 2, which will be f of 1. So now f of 1 will be called. Now it will check min ways f of 1 is it not equal to, is it not, is it, it is equal to 1001. So what I'll do, I will call 1 minus 2. So if 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1, which is less than 0, it will return minus 1. It will return minus 1 here. Now at this point, I'm at f of 1, as in min ways. So min ways uh, 1. Number of minimum ways we can make. Target 1 is minus 1, so it will go here, it will go here, and then it will keep the amount to minus 1. This was not there before, so it would have gotten out. It would This would have been 1001, so I would have returned minus 1. She's correct or did it? Actually, I don't need to do this. I can just do return on this. On this. Perfect. Yay! Awesome. Analyze complexity. I didn't want to do this. O and NM. Don't know how. This is. I'm too tired to check now, but yay! Did it. So here ends the live stream for coin change, and I will start another live stream for longest increasing subsequence problem. Thanks for joining. Bye 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 bye.